In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch text in Canva. Whether you're creating a graphic for a social media post, a poster, or any other type of design, adding stretched text can give your project a unique and creative look. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily accomplish this. First, head over to canva.com and locate the login button at the upper right corner of the home page. Signing in is straightforward. You can use your existing credentials by selecting to log in with your Google, Facebook, or email account. This flexibility makes it easier to access your previous designs and projects all in one place. Once you're logged in, the next step is to select the project you want to work on. Canva has a user-friendly interface, so finding your existing project should be a breeze. If you're starting from scratch, you can choose a template that fits your needs or create a new design. Now it's time to dive into the apps to find the Typecraft tool, which will help us in stretching the text. On the left side of your screen, find the Apps section, which houses a variety of additional features and tools that Canva offers. In the search bar, type Typecraft to locate the specific tool we'll need for text manipulation. With Typecraft open, you'll see a text box where you can input the text you'd like to appear on your design. This step is straightforward. Just type in your message or text that you want to work with, ensuring it's exactly as you'd like it to be before moving forward. Next, you'll have the option to select the font. Canva offers a vast array of fonts, so you can choose one that complements the aesthetic of your overall design. Along with the font, this is your opportunity to set the font size and choose colors that align with your visual theme. These choices play a crucial role in making your stretched text stand out while fitting harmoniously within your design. After choosing your font and colors, it's finally time to stretch the text. To do this, simply click on the text box and you'll notice small dots or handles appearing around the box. By clicking and dragging these dots, you can adjust the dimensions of the text to stretch it either vertically or horizontally. This step is where you creatively adjust the text to achieve the desired effect. Take your time to experiment and tweak until you're satisfied with how it looks. And there you have it. You've successfully stretched text in Canva, adding a dynamic and eye-catching element to your design. With practice, you'll find that this technique can be a powerful addition to your design toolkit. Hopefully this tutorial has been helpful and you feel confident in using Canva to bring your creative visions to life.